Alright guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can change your address on Uber Eats. Now this is very easy to do. What we need to do is just click on the address in the top left corner. So here for me it just says Chicago. So if I click on it, it's going to show me a list of all of the different addresses that I have saved. So here if I decide to change my address, I'll just search for the new address which I want to input. So for example, let's do the Chicago Midway International Airport. So here it's going to ask us to choose a business or a building type. So I will choose apartment, and we can input the apartment unit floor. So here I'll just do apartment 3 as an example. The building name is gonna be Central Building or just Central, and we can click on continue. And now as you can see, I have successfully changed my address on Uber Eats. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.